What is the bounce rate? How does it affect your SEO, your positioning in Google, and your sales? How to measure it and how to fix it? It will be all covered in this video. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic, and sales. Bounce rate is one of the most important things Google measures on your website. It indicates how people interact with your content. If someone clicks on your website from the search results, but they don't spend a long time browsing your content and click back, this is called a bounce rate. They land on your website and they quickly bounce back. For Google, it's a sign that your website is not relevant to this particular search result, doesn't have a relevant info to be featured higher in this particular search result, and Google might decide to drop you from this search. Google wants to show the most relevant, the most valuable, and the most useful content for its users. So if it spots that your website doesn't meet this criteria, it will be dropped, because Google continuously evaluates content, even if your content was relevant for this search result a few months ago. If there are a few websites with much better, much more relevant content, they will replace you on page 1. So remember to strive to improve your content all the time. This is really important. So let's have a look how to find what is your bounce rate and how to measure it. Your bounce rate is measured in Google Analytics. Normally it is displayed on your admin here in this place, bounce rate. So you can monitor it as often as you want. I recommend monitoring it at least once a month to see if there are any positive or negative changes and also to see how to fix it. Additionally, you can see which pages have got the highest bounce rate, and if they are the most popular pages on your website, you can then focus to improve that. How to find the bounce rate for particular pages? Go to Behavior, Site Content, All Pages. Now you can see the most popular pages on your website filtered by the number of visits. You can filter it by the bounce rate. So simply click on the top of this column, bounce rate. And now as you can see which pages have got the highest bounce rate. As you can see, this page has got 100% bounce rate, which means that all visitors that landed on this page clicked back right away. How you can fix it, what worked for me, is to put strong calls to action and internal links prompting people to click to other content on your website. It can be buttons such as read more under a part of your blog post. It can be also a button with call to action such as shop now, so you can show only a part of your collection, like only 3 or 4 products from your collection, and then put a shop now button below so people can click on this button to see the full collection and shop for these products. What has also worked for me is to place a sign-up form so people can subscribe to my newsletter in order to read more content. So if I spotted some of the pages have got critically low bounce rate, I fixed it by adding this kind of sign-up form. With my line of business, I often offer free resources such as free ebook, free video tutorial, and I prompt people to fill in this form with their name and email address to be directed to this content. You can come up with a similar content idea. For example, if you're in fashion niche, you can say, leave your details to enter our free giveaway, and then offer free giveaway once a month. When people leave their details, they can be then directed to the giveaway page, and automatically they click one more page on your website, which effectively reduces your bounce rate. This is really easy and smart way to improve your bounce rate. I'd recommend measuring it at least once a month, as I mentioned, and fixing the most popular pages on your website that have got the highest bounce rate with those tips. Let me know, what is your current bounce rate? How often do you measure it? I'd love to learn more about your technique. If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye!